Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this chicken stir fry with only 6 ingredients. Simple and easy to do, yet delicious to eat. You're going to need a 10-ounce package of frozen vegetables. I like to use the Asian vegetables. My vegetables here are thawed. You're going to need a 1 pound of cubed chicken. I am using a chicken tender. If you want to use a chicken breast, you may. I cut them into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup of organic chicken broth. 1/4 of a cup of teriyaki sauce. If you're wondering what brand I use the P.F. Chang brand, but any brand will do. 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, and I'm going to show you here how to do it. You're going to look for a piece of ginger root like this. You can find it in your produce department in your supermarket. With a spoon, we're going to remove the skin of the ginger. You see how easy that just peels right off? Nice and fresh. With a microplane, or as you can see, just with a grater, I'm going to start grating the ginger root until I get 1 tablespoon. And 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. Over here on the oven top, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, or if you want to use a wok, you may. I'm adding my 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, adding the ginger. Want to give it a lovely little stirring to flavor up that sesame seed oil. Give this about a minute to cook. After a minute of cooking, we're going to add the chicken. And we're going to cook this for the next 5 to 6 minutes until it's no longer pink. Continue stirring. Add those vegetables. And we're going to cook for an additional 5 minutes. Anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm adding the chicken broth. Gonna bring this to a boil along with our teriyaki sauce. Ooh, that looks really delicious. Give this a lovely little stirring until it begins to boil. Our chicken stir fry is ready for serving. I'm serving my chicken stir fry over a bed of jasmine rice. And if you don't know how to make jasmine rice, I've added my YouTube food video link below on how to make jasmine rice. Oh my gosh, does that look absolutely delicious? Just gotta give it a try. Now if you want to do without the rice, you may, because this chicken stir fry is delicious all by itself. Very nice and warm. The chicken's perfectly tender, and that lovely ginger that's coming through on the chicken is just fantastic in this chicken stir fry, y'all. Absolutely delicious. That teriyaki sauce gives it a delicious sweet flavor here to your chicken stir fry. A fast and simple lunch or dinner for family, friends, or just yourself. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.